Hello again, guys. This is your host, Mary, and welcome back to our podcast, where some random thoughts becomes random tales. Today, I want to talk about something very real, something that lately I've been reflecting on deeply. We're going to talk about self-care. Pero hindi ito yung pa-cute or aesthetic kind of self-care na madalas nating nakikita online, ha? This is about the real self-care. The kind that means finally giving yourself time and space to breathe, to rest, to pause, to think about yourself. Our episode for today is about self-care, showing up for yourself too. I had this random chika with a friend some time ago. Lang kung ano-anong usapan lang, chika-chika lang, updates lang. And eventually, napunta yung usapan namin about self-love and self-care. Kasi let's be honest, madalas we are so focused on being present for other people. Madalas pinaprioritize natin yung iba kaysa sa sarili natin. We're always trying to help other people. And in my case, I'm trying to help out in a way that I can kahit malayo ako. I try to extend help in different ways. Yung palagi lang tayong available, laging present, physical presence, emotional support, even just listening and holding space for other people. Pero minsan, wala na tayong natitira para sa sarili natin. Nakakalimutan natin, we needed help din sometimes. Then I realized, we cannot extend help if we don't have the capacity or capability to help others anymore. Yung ubos na ubos ka na, yung wala ka nang maibigay, pinipilit mo na lang, inaagaw mo na mismo yung para sa sarili mo. And I'm not even talking about money here. I'm talking about time, energy, and presence. You don't have time for yourself anymore. You couldn't even sit down and have time to think for yourself. Yung tipong wala ka lang gagawin, uupo ka lang, mag-iisip ka lang para sa sarili mo. Yung walang iniisip na deadline or mga bagay na dapat mong gawin para sa iba. Yung may isip mo bigla, ay, dapat nga pala gawin ko to kasi request to ni ganito. Or, I have to go somewhere nga pala for someone. Things that are eating up our personal time, our personal thoughts, and our personal space. Yung one day, you'll just feel exhausted. Yung hindi lang pagod na kailangan mo lang matulog, but the kind of tired na parang wala ka ng laman, wala ka ng gana, wala ka ng peace. I remember an old song tuloy. Ayan, ang edad lumalabas na. Anyway, probably you've heard this song before. It's titled, The Greatest Love of All. Kasi sabi sa kanta, loving yourself is the greatest love of all. Then it hit me. Kailan ba ako huling tumigil at nagtanong sa sarili ko, kamusta na ako? Or, kailan ba yung huling time na may ginawa ako para sa sarili ko? When was the last time you took care of yourself? The last time you loved yourself? Or prioritized yourself? When was the last time you asked, what do I need? What do I want? How do I feel? Where shall I go? What should I do? So today, let's take some time to just sit down and listen. Truly listen to ourselves. Kasi nga matagal na natin hindi naririnig ang sarili natin. Kahit pinaparamdam na ng body natin na need niya na ng break. Kaso di tayo nakikinig dahil puno na ng ingay yung ating isip para sa ibang tao. And maybe ikaw din. If you are listening to this now, maybe you're feeling that too. That you're always on call for others, but no one checks in on you. And worst of all, Maybe you haven't been checking in on yourself either. So, let me remind you, self-care is not selfish. Hindi siya luho. Hindi rin siya katamaran. It's necessary. It's what allows us to keep giving without destroying ourselves in the process. Self-care isn't just about bubble baths or Netflix breaks. Sure, those are nice. Pero, ang totoong self-care is about setting boundaries. It's learning to say no, even when you're afraid to disappoint other people. It's giving yourself 15 minutes of silence just to be with your own thoughts. It's choosing to do nothing for once and not feel guilty about it. It's saying, this is my time and I deserve to rest. Here are a few small things that help me reconnect with myself. Baka makatulong din sa inyo. Start with one small thing a day that's just for you. Yung kahit simpleng pagkakape sa umaga na wala kang ibang iniisip or wala kang ibang gagawin. Ask yourself, ano bang kailangan ko today? And listen to the answer. Kung mahilig ka mag-schedule, try mo ilagay pangalan mo sa calendar mo. Like literally, block time that says me time. And when you're about to say yes to something, pause and ask, may natitira pa ba akong energy para dito? Or is this coming from guilt? Hindi mo kailangang hintayin na mapagod kang sobra bago ka magpahinga. Hindi mo kailangang ubusin ang sarili mo para lang mapunan ang ibang tao. You can be kind, generous, and still have boundaries. I'm not saying huwag ka tumulong sa iba, huwag ka mag-alala para sa iba. Kasi you can never give what you don't have. Punuan mo muna ang sarili mo para may maibigay ka sa ibang tao. Para makatulong ka, buuin mo muna ang sarili mo. Be present for yourself. Care and love yourself first. So if this episode made you feel seen, I am glad. And I hope you remember this. You matter too. Your rest matters. Your peace matters. Your time and energy are valuable. Not just for others, but for you. Para sa sarili mo. Take this as a sign to pause today. Kahit sandali lang. Upo ka. Huminga ka. Magtanong ka. Kamusta na nga ba ako? And listen. Really listen to what your heart is going to say. Once again, I'm your host, Mary, and thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Please take care of yourself, and let's talk again on our next episode. For God's greater glory.